hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is a car key remote. So the one on the left is the one that I've had for years, many years. It belongs to a 2005 Nissan Sentra 1.8. And the one on the right is what I ordered from AliExpress. So this is basically just a shell or case or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to try to transfer all the internals from here to here, and basically I'll have a brand new remote. At least that's the idea. So let's see if that actually works. So the first thing I want to show you is what you get from AliExpress, and I'm going to show you the price on the screen. So it's not a lot. So basically you get the two plastic sides, this rubber thing. That makes it waterproof, I think. Not waterproof, but at least moisture proof. And this metal thing, I don't know what it does, but I'm sure it has something to do with the battery. So let's open the older one. Okay, so as you can see, they are a bit different. Okay, so the whole case is the wrong size, because if you try to put it in there without the rubber, it just won't go in. It's too small. So it doesn't seem like the new case is useful for anything. So this is the old case. This is the old front. And I guess I can only use the rubber. But that'll still be good for me, I think. So let's throw in the electronics. Okay, so it's not what I meant to do, but this is the best I can do. So I bought this and it didn't work. These two are the brand new cases, which the plastic cases doesn't work. This is not even the same thing, doesn't work. Only the rubber works. So this is the old rubber, we're gonna leave it out. So let's go and test the remote on the car. Okay, so here we are. This is our car. So let's see if it works. It works. So let's see if the trunk opens. Okay, so this works. It's not great, but it works. So I'll give it a C+.